www.healthcmi.com. Acupuncture Continuing Education Online. Today in the news, acupuncture success for IVF fertility implants. New research. New research measures the biochemical mechanisms by which acupuncture increases IVF success rates. That's in vitro fertilization. And we've covered at healthcmi.com many stories on clinical studies looking into whether or not acupuncture can benefit IVF success rates. But this particular study gets into the biochemical mechanisms and shows how acupuncture benefits fertility. Essentially, it comes down to cytokines. The study here shows that acupuncture improves both IVF success rates and successful pregnancy rates. And it does this by stimulating cytokines. Now, what are cytokines? Cytokines are a class of immunoregulatory proteins that are secreted by cells, especially of that of the immune system, actually. So, cytokines do a lot with intracellular signaling and intracellular communication when they're released. And acupuncture has a way of balancing these cytokines. The researchers noticed that acupuncture has a way of promoting Th2 cytokines and inhibiting Th1 cytokines. And this improves blastocyst implantation. Now, a blastocyst is an embryonic structure, an embryo, of approximately 700 cells to 1,000 cells. And it's about 5 days after fertilization in a human is when the embryo is actually a blastocyst. And at this stage, acupuncture is capable of setting up an environment where there is greater Th2 cytokines and fewer Th1 cytokines. Now, that's interesting because that's the exact environment where pregnancy is healthy and where miscarriages do not happen. Cytokines are proteins secreted by cells and are cell-signaling molecules. They're used extensively in intracellular communication. And this particular balance of greater Th2 cytokines and lower Th1 cytokines is necessary for a healthy pregnancy. We can say, based on research, successful pregnancies are proportional to higher levels of Th2 cytokines. Higher levels of Th2 cytokines are present in healthy pregnancies, whereas women with chronic miscarriages have higher serum levels of Th1 cytokines. The results show that acupuncture raises the Th2 cytokines, lowers Th1 cytokines, and this is exactly what is needed to prevent a miscarriage and enhance IVF success rates. And of course, this goes to the homeostatic, that natural balancing effect that acupuncture has on the body. Application of acupuncture balances the body for a healthy implant or a healthy pregnancy or benefiting fertility. And now we know the biochemical mechanisms by which this occurs. For the Healthcare Medicine Institute, thank you for listening. www.healthcmi.com